In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove yourself from a sponsor on Cash App. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Cash App on your phone or any device and tap your profile icon in the top corner, or if you're using the web version, you can find it on the bottom left corner. And then look for the referrals and sponsorships section. If you see an active sponsorship request or sponsorship details like a link, open it and follow the on-screen prompt to decline or remove the sponsor if that option is available. Now, if you can't find the referrals and sponsorship sections or don't have the option to remove the sponsor, go back to your profile and tap support. Search for the article on the search bar about sponsors or sponsored accounts. I need you to read through the article as it explains how sponsorship works and what options are available. And if you still can't remove the sponsorship after following the steps above, you need to contact the Cash App support directly. So, explain that you'd like to remove yourself from your current sponsor and the support team will guide you through the process if additional assistance is needed. And basically, that's it. That's how you remove yourself from a sponsor. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.